Look what we've got here. One cool, completely custom 1971 Chevy Nova, full custom chassis, LS motor, 6-speed transmission. That interior is wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling soft leather. So is the trunk. There's so many body mods on this thing. I'll tell you all about them in a minute. You can also go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read about it. Look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. Along with that is a Buy It Now button. If you see something you really like, click the Buy It Now. That locks it in while you're thinking about it and talking to the salesman. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, full custom chassis underneath the car. We'll get to that towards the end of the video, but let's talk about the body. This thing is just amazing. It was built by Hunter's Hot Rods and Customs. It won 6 years ago at the Good Guys Nationals. It won the Way Cool Award. It's got 2,000 miles on it since it's been built. It looks like it was built yesterday. They did a lot of body modifications. Let's start with the roof. Now you can see it's indented in the middle, and everything they did is so tastefully done. It looks like it left the factory. So you can see that right there. Everything's shaved. There's no trunk lock, no emblems, no moldings. It's all nice, smooth, clean look. It has the air diffuser back here that is painted all the way to the tires. It wraps around. Ground effects all along the bottom of the car. This is a working brake duct cooler. This is actually vented towards the brakes. I mean, it's cool. I don't know how effective it really is, but it's neat and it is functional. This has an electric door pad, like a newer Corvette. So obviously they had to notch the quarter panel. Ground effects all along the bottom. They eliminated the vent window. It has a smooth custom cowl. See, the hood extends all the way into the cowl. Obviously a custom hood with this insert. This is wrapped in like a carbon fiber decal is what that is. This whole lower valance is custom with built-in fog lights. This isn't stuff you'll see on any other Nova. This is all hand fabricated, not out of the catalog type of stuff. And the body work is excellent. Everything is straight. The gaps are nice, square, flush. I said no emblems. It does have this modern Nova. They're probably just glued on there, but all the normal emblems and moldings and door handles, marker lights, they're all gone, all smooth and clean. I mentioned this before, and this is the truth. The shop next door, their paint jobs start at 40 grand. You ask them to do this sort of body mods and a paint job, you've got to be 80 grand. So it is painted a PPG Orange Glow metallic. There's tiny, tiny pimples right in this area right here. Just a little stretch of them. Honestly, I didn't even see them when I bought the car, but I see them under these lights. Not a big deal. All of this is straight. The metal flake is laid out. It's all smooth and like glass. Here's like a little maybe piece of dust was in the paint right there. But this is all excellent. It's not cracking or bubbling. All just really, really nice body work. All this is really nice, clean, nice work. The gaps on the doors are real nice. All this is super. So the body and paint is really impressive. The bumpers are smooth. There's no bumper bolts. They're tucked into the body real nice. All the trim is painted like a gray metallic. It has tri-bar headlights with the turn signals built right in. It's flush mounted front and back windows. All the glass is new. It's all smoked glass. Like I said, they eliminated the vent window for just, again, a cleaner look. They've got this thing slammed down. It's all adjustable, coil-over shocks. You can get this 4 inches off the ground. The wheels, they're 19s and 20s. They're 12 inches wide in back. They got some big, meaty tires back there. They're forged aluminum wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport performance tires on there. So I think that wraps up the outside. Look how the back bumper is actually countersunk right into the body. So you got some really nice work. Oh, the exhaust. I don't know why they didn't peel that sticky tape off, but the exhaust comes right out through below the bumper, through that valance. That's a really cool touch. All right, let's check out the inside. I got a lot more to show you. Okay, there's an inside trunk release. You just pop the handle and it opens just like this. Now, this is all boxed and upholstered, just like the interior. Underneath is painted real nice and smooth. It has this custom-made panel that's upholstered. It has gas struts that open the trunk. Even the hinges are wrapped in leather. This is genuine leather with the white stitching. The gas tank is underneath the panel here. I'm going to assume the battery is probably behind. Oh, no, there's really not much anything behind there. There are battery jumper leads in one of the wheel well areas. I think it's this one here. So you can jump and charge the battery from the wheel well. The car's just got so much going on. I think it's so cool. Door jambs are painted slick, weather strips, window seals are replaced. Now this is an all custom interior, very tastefully done, all genuine glove soft leather. It smells like a leather shop. White stitching throughout, got nice billet handles on the door. This is a custom instrument panel. Again, the whole dash is all custom made, all wrapped. All of this is soft leather. The dash pad, everything is, the glove box door is suede, so there's a little bit of suede trim. Leather kick panels, all nicely carpeted. The seats are very comfortable. Custom made center console is suede and leather and white stitching. Touchscreen stereo, there's subwoofers and amps and speakers in the back. Got the 12-volt receptacles. It is a push-button starter. A nice Momo wheel, leather and suede on a tilt column. Look at these seats. They're so nice and comfy. Now in back, no back seat, but again, it's all upholstered, it's all leather, it's all stitched. They did a great job. And you might not have even noticed, this does have a roll bar. It's kind of incorporated into the interior. It's built in, roll cage, I should say. And then look at the headliner, how nice. Probably one of the nicest headliners I've seen. Who spends that kind of effort on a headliner? And really nice, nicely done interior. It's got Willwood brake and clutch pedals too. Looks like there's speakers in the kick panels. Now the engine compartment is totally off the hook too. It's an LS motor, over 400 horsepower, I believe these are. Custom air intake system, one of a kind made for this car. And then it has all the tins, all the custom inner fenders and radiator cover. Totally custom look. Even under the hood, all done up real nice. These tubular bars, that's all part of the structure. A roll cage isn't just if you roll it. It adds stability to the car, keeps it from twisting and flexing, just makes it go down the road and handle and corner really good. We got power steering. The headers are wrapped in heat tape. Runs nice and smooth. Makes a good sound when you rev it up. I bet it sounds great shifting and downshifting. Oh, what am I doing putting it in first? Gauges light up red, analog and digital. I'm sure there's pictures of that on our website. Power seat too, I forgot to mention. Yeah, this thing is just amazing. Imagine pulling into a car show or anywhere for that matter. This car just, I mean, it just says it's like a magazine type car. So the underside, like I said, it's all custom chassis completely. The framework, the front clip, everything. It's all tubular control arms, coil over adjustable shocks, big sway bar, rack and pinion steering, all new structure going all the way back to a 4-link system, tubular control arms, coil over shocks, pan-hard bars, got a big tubular support going across the back of it there. You look up at the motor, it's all aluminum motor. It's a Tremec 6-speed automatic transmission, custom drive shaft. It's a narrowed Ford 9-inch with, they call it a back brace. It's big extra welded support. That rear end's never going to twist or break on anyone. The exhaust is really cool. It's dual exhaust and it runs into one and then travels as one pipe, big 3-inch pipe right out the middle here. And my daughter took off some of that glue. There's a little bit more glue. I don't know what that was there from. We'll take the rest of that off. So just a killer car. I know it's got the big wheels and all that. It's not a race car. It's a car you get in and cruise and drive. It's a 6-speed. You get out on the highway, no problem. So this is a driver. Someone's going to get a lot of attention with this car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman, answer your questions, like how do you get it delivered to your house? How do you finance it? Go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. I completely forgot about the brakes. It's a Willwood big brake system. There are 6 piston calipers in front, 4 piston in back, all drilled and slotted rotors. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.